Hey guys, this is Joey from Linbay Machinery. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna introduce the step beam roll forming machine for you guys. The step beam is the main framework of the rack system, and it can provide more loading capacity for the rack system. And it has the 1.9 millimeter thickness. And on this roll forming machine, we can produce the different height from 3 to 6.5 inches. And then let's see more details. In this production line, the steel coil starts from the hydraulic decoiler. This is the 3-ton load cutting capacity. This is the 3-ton loading capacity hydraulic decoiler. And we use the pneumatic press arm to press the steel coil. To press the steel coil, from it just sudden pumping up to hurt our workers. And we will use a steel blades from the steel coil from leaping out from the decoiler, and we use these configurations to help our workers. On this roll forming machine, we can produce the step beam with a height from 3 to 6.5 inches. To change the steel coil with the different feeding ways, we need to change the guiding rollers. We can rotate the wheels to change the guiding rollers. The 4 guiding rollers can keep the steel coil and the machine with one same center line, so that we can guarantee the straightness of the step beam. And then the steel coil will go into the leveling machine, because the steel coil we used this time is 1.9 millimeter. It will use the leveling machine to release the strength. We use the automatic adjustment to change the size. We use the motor to drive the roll forming stations to move outward and forward on the rails. So we can change the gap from the left side to the right side. When the roller's position are changed, the forming position will also be changed. That's why we can produce the different high step beam. This roll forming machine has the wall panel structure and the chain driving system. And on this roll forming machine, we use the 220 volts motor. And we also can provide the customized motor for you, such as 380 volts or 480 volts and so on. This is a flying welding device. As you can see, flying means when we use the welding device, the roll forming machine will not stop, so it can provide more production capacity for our production line. And this is the sulfur motor, and the sulfur motor will drive the device move on the rails. And we use 2 welders. Compared to the traditional solution, only use the 1 welder. It can give more efficiency for the whole device. And we use the sports device, and we can change the welding position as the customers want. This is a saw cutting machine. We use the saw blade to cut the step beam, and the cutting edge is very smooth and no burrs. And on this machine, it will not produce any wastage. It can help our customer to save the steel coil material. And this is also a flying device. This means when cutting, the roll forming machine will not stop. So we can provide higher speed for the production line. Our Linbay team has much experience on the rack system roll forming machine, including the step beam, box beam, shift panel, and upright rack. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us. We will provide the customized solutions for you.